Hello, so today is day 2 and we had a crazy day yesterday. I have no footage from last night, thank God for that. It was absolutely crazy. So today we are heading to Jalori Pass and from there we will be going to, I think it's, Vikas kya naam hai iska? Fort ka?
Raghupura Fort.
Raghupura Fort and then Sirloskar Lake. So the idea is we'll just go there and see how much time can we manage, because I think the Raghupura Fort trek is about 5 kilometers or so. So let's see how much time we would take. And right now we are heading to the main road from our Airbnb. And yeah, I will keep you updated. I'll just show you the way a little. Just a sec. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So this sound of the river can be heard right in our bedrooms, and waking up to this sound was so beautiful. That's Sapna and Neha. Just going on and on and on. And let me zoom this a little and show you how this looks. So that's where we are at right now, and yep, I'll keep you updated. I'm so sorry. And yes, let's just go and see how it's gonna be. Let's just go and see how it's gonna be. Alright, so we took a cab from that point, and now Jalori Pass, it's sort of a middle point where you get down, and then if you go right you can go to the fort, and if you go left you can go to the lake. So right now we are headed towards the fort, and it looks like that it might rain, so I might not be able to capture it all, because if it's raining then it's not gonna happen. But if not, then I will show you around. I will show you how it looks up there. Otherwise I will just possibly add up some pictures, some photos, which I'll take using my phone. And yes, that's how it is. I'll just show you how it looks. It looks like, so this is the way to Raghupura Fort. Hello, so we have reached a point on the way to Raghupur Fort, and it's absolutely mesmerizing. It's so beautiful. We have been here for good 10 minutes or so, and we don't like leaving. I just show you. Okay, this might be it. It is starting to rain and I don't want to take any risks. So hopefully, see you a little later. Ta-da!
It
was raining so hard. And now finally we can see the sun. And I am still shivering. It was absolutely crazy. I'll just show you around how it looks right now.